Pulled up at this gym. It's looking nice, man. It's outdoor gym. Back at the night market, man. Good morning, people. Welcome back to the channel. We are starting off the day by going to get our clothes washed now. We got a bag of dirty washing. Man's literally running low on clothes in it, so I'm taking this stuff here to get cleaned at the dry cleaners real quick. But yeah, let's head over to the dry cleaners now. I feel like it's like 50 baht. Let's see, you pay it up to 100 baht a kg. So let me know in the comments right now how much you reckon this bag weighs. We shall find out right now as we take it over to the dry cleaners, man. Oh my god, that butterfly. That butterfly. That was absolutely amazing. That was amazing. Found myself a little place to get my clothes washed. It costed me 288 baht. Isn't too bad, to be honest, and it's going to be washed today, so it should be good. Got up later, like 4 hours from now, and the time is now. It's like 10:30. It's pissing out. I know I probably said I was going to hit the beach, but what the fuck am I going to do now, bro? Like, what am I going to do? So I'm going to be editing my videos, do that sort of stuff, but bro, the weather out here is mad. Alrighty people, we are going to take a rip. I've been editing for like the last hour or so upstairs. There should be a video dropping today. It should be day 2 of Thailand. I'm in Chiang Mai, so it's an exciting one for you lot. A very good video. Hope you all enjoy. I haven't smoked anything all day. This is going to be the first rip. Appreciate you all rocking with me. I'm going to head over to that market, but it's raining, so I don't know how much I can actually capture for you lot without getting you wet. And I need to pick up my clothes as well in a little bit. So go get some lunch, and then I'm trying to close the rain, doing all madnesses. Whoopsie! I messed up. I ate the pasta. Basically, look at that. It was that good. I just started eating it and just continued eating it, and now it's only when I went to pick up the bread I was like, I haven't even recorded nothing. This is nice. It's like 100 baht. Whoever that is on the screen right now for this meal. Spaghetti, and I think I might get a mushroom wrap, you know. Basically the rain is a bit mad right now, innit? So driving a bike is not really ideal. So I'm waiting for it to die down a bit or to stop, and then I'm gonna head over to Lake My Guy and we're gonna go for a sauna and steam. When I say I'm not smoking in the mornings, but like when I am smoking, I'm super baked. Had me stoned to the bone, bro. I was sitting talking to someone and like I was fried. You know when you just like, you're hearing everything they're saying, but like you're just floating there, bro. And now I'm realizing I've got the munchies because I've just ate the pasta and I've just fell victim to the advertising of the mushroom wrap, bro. He was just staring at me and I was staring at it, and then I was like, you know what, I'm gonna make my move. I'll show you what it's saying when it's here, but I've got the munch, right? I've got the wrap now, so let's try it and see what it's saying. It's nice. Got like a sweet sauce in there. I don't even know what it is, but and the sauce is alright, but the mushrooms, I don't know. Don't taste bad, but just need that sauce. The sauce is what makes it banging. And the rain has stopped, as you can see, so I'm gonna head over to Lake My Guy. Food was nice, man. I like the fact that there's better options to pick from. It's great, and it's literally across the road from the hotel. Look at it right there, brother. Oh my god, the man just see a guy that had just obviously come off his bike, and his leg and his arm was, brother. Be careful out on your bikes, you know. I know you might see me fucking about, like, bro, I don't even want to tell you too much, but just be careful out here, bro, because it's serious. Man, I saw a man's arm all graze up, his leg all graze up and that, standing outside the pharmacy, like, brother, just peek out here, fam. But, oh my god, I'm saying that I'm about to go on my bike, bro. I'm putting my helmet on, I'm driving slow as fuck. I don't care what you want to call it, mate. I'm gonna grab my clothes from the laundry place right now. The battery on this camera is gonna die, so I need to switch it over. But wish me luck, man. Going on the roads just after it's been raining in Copenhagen. So, I mean, bro, if you lot have seen Don's arm and that, kind of makes you, whoa, brother, bare water's dripping out. It kind of makes you skeptical about how quick you want to get on a bike, bro. Being serious out here. Might be fun and games, but it won't be no fun and games when you end up like matey. Alright, people, I'll catch you up when I've got my clothes, man. Clothes have been grabbed. Right here we've got my clean laundry. Pretty much all my clothes are now freshly washed, clean, ready to go. We're heading back and I'm gonna link my guys so we can go to the sauna, steam room, ice bath, and the workout as well. There's like a, pretty sure there's like a gym there as well, so we're gonna do all of that in Copenhagen. So I'll show you what it's saying, people. The day is starting right now. We'll be back out on the road real soon, so I'll catch up with you in a sec. We're in a shower back in England still. Yeah, them man there. I don't know how waterproof this thing is, but hopefully my clothes underneath are dry, innit? Mine was just cutting through in the rain, bro. Like 10 minutes and then just stopped raining. It started raining as soon as I got on my bike. It stopped raining just as I got off. We're gonna hit the sauna and steam and the ice bath. I'm gonna show you what it's saying. It looked pretty good online, so fingers crossed it looks good in real life. I'm gonna let you lot know if you're in Copenhagen, if this sauna and steam is worth hitting up, man. Let's go. Pulled up at this gym. It's looking nice, man. It's outdoor gym. We've got weights and stuff like that, machines. We've got a little, like, I don't know what you'd call this, maybe like a calisthenics part over here. And the sauna and steam room are back there somewhere. So I'm gonna go in, see what it's about, and I'll let you know, people, man. I've got a little munch as well from the 7-Eleven, little vegetarian protein rice, spicy thing. Would have probably told you about it already before, but this thing here does the job when you need it still. But yeah, I'll let you know what it's saying when we get inside. Alright people, we are here at the outside of the gym, and now I'm going to do some pull-ups and little stuff like that to get the heart rate going, to get a little bit of a sweat going. Then I'm going to hit the other gym. Bro's already in there getting warmed up, so I just ate literally that flipping rice thing, so I've got to take it easy doing some pull-ups and that. Then I'm going to go inside and show you what it's saying. I don't know how much I'm going to film, but doing a little workout. Let's get cracking, man.
I'm spaced, I'm lit. Just took a real big rip, I said I'm spaced, I'm lit. Put a 3-5 in a spliff. I'm smoking on some fire, you can tell from my drip. Puree's what I'm smoking, I don't throw in no chip. I got plugs out in LA, really landing in them bits. I flew out to Thailand cause I'm really taking them trips. Still a cybin in my body and I'm waiting for the kick. Meantime it's that white ash on this Doja pack I just lit. I said I'm spaced, I'm lit. Just took a real big rip, I said I'm spaced, I'm lit. Put a 3-5 in a spliff. I'm smoking on some fire, you can tell from my drip. Puree's what I'm smoking, I don't throw in no chip. I said I'm spaced, I'm lit.
Just finished a little gym sesh. I'm feeling good, man. Got the muscles pumped and that. This is definitely a place I'd recommend though. If you're hitting the gym normally, or you want to just hit the gym while you're out here, definitely a place I'd recommend. Outdoor, indoor gym, both good, and they got the spa. I'm paying 250 baht for full day access. That's a sauna, steam room, and the ice bath all included, and the gym. Bruh, this is pretty much a deal, man. If you're over in Copenhagen, literally, this is a spot to hit. The name, I don't even have to say that, brother. Exantiva. Up there as well. You lot are seeing it, man. When you come through, definitely worth checking out. I would recommend it. It's got like pretty much all you need. And the ice bath as well, bro. This first dab. You ready for this one, bro?
My first time, yeah, I will try it.
Alright, I'm not gonna lie, we're going on pretty hot, but just like that, bro.
Oh, it's like, we're ready for the sauna, bro.
Come on. Bro, I don't even know how long I done. I probably was like 10 seconds if that, bro. That was mad. That was crazy, bro. Just done up the steam hut. I'm not even gonna call them rooms anymore, car. It's literally... One sec, let me fill up my water. I think it's time for the ice bath in a sec, people. Then we'll go into the sauna again. But again, highly recommend this spot, man. Good vibes, good people.
I didn't get footage of the actual sauna and steam, but there was these huts as you can see on screen now. I say the huts could fit about 5 to 6 people in each one, and they had a real cool fireplace you could come and chill in between each session. And the ice bath was crazy, as you lot would have seen big chunks of ice. Bruh, this is a whole experience. Highly recommended.
Alright, right now we've finished. As you can see, it's pretty dark, man, and I'm hungry, so it's time to go get a munch. I'm gonna head over to that night market again. I'm gonna go crazy, man, the way I'm feeling right now. But to this place here, definitely recommended, man. Ice bath is crazy, sauna, steam room, it's a little bit small, but get a good time, you have enough time in there. Gym's good, outdoor facilities, everything, man. Highly recommended. Alright, let's go get a munch, man. Back at the night market, man. This has been a spot in Copenhagen, I'm not gonna lie. I've been loving it. I think this is the place. One guy we met at 7-Eleven recommended us to try this. Was it this place, bro? Or the next one? Right, the burger has come now. This one here is looking serious. You look at chips as well. They're like Parmesan fries. Serious. Burger Shack. That's the spot that I hit up. Not the Mojos, the Burger Shack.
So after that munch, we decided to play a game of pool and call it a night. Honestly, people, it was a great day, relaxing and recovering. Stay tuned, we still got more to come. Muay Thai still hasn't stopped, and there's more days left exploring in Thailand. If you like this one, make sure to hit the like button. If you want to see more, subscribe down below and hit the bell notification as well. There ain't much more to do but spaced out.
Pack got shipped, so it's on the way. Just check the app and it's on delay. But how could it be if the pack from Cali and it ain't been on? It's been knock knock.